Hey everybody, how's it going? It's another edition of Tank's Taste Test. This time we're going south of the border. I found this in a local store. It's Jarritos. Jarritos is a Mexican soda brand. And they have a number of varieties. This is Mandarin orange. Now I remember there used to be a Pepsi brand called Slice that had Mandarin orange years ago. It was a little bit of a unique orange taste. I wasn't exactly that big a fan of Slice orange. I didn't think it was nearly as good as Sunkist. Definitely not as good as Crush. But this is Jarritos, which means little jug in Spanish, and it refers to the Mexican tradition of drinking water and other drinks out of clay pottery jugs. This is a soda that's produced in Mexico and is sold throughout the United States, and it's a little bit of a long neck bottle, as you can see. Do you know, in 2009, according to the book Mexican's Greatest Brands, 6,000 bottles of Jarritos were shipped across the border every minute. Ay, caramba! And this has been something that's been around for 70 years. And it's bottled now by Pepsi. Pepsi helps produce it. I guess part of Pepsi's international connection. So it's distributed by the Pepsi Bottling Group in Mexico. It's made in Guadalajara. So let's see, without further ado, how the Jarritos taste. And let's see, this is made in Mexico. So this is made in Mexico, distributed out of El Paso. And it's made with real sugar. Dan, 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 and boom, 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 boom. Ooh, ooh. Now, ooh, ooh, ooh. Guess this is a pop top. Where is a... Hold on. Let me get a pop topper. Okay, now that I got a bottle opener, it's untwisting, and it's not even budging. Close to budging. So I guess this is actually a pop top. Here we go. Let's see. Well, I like other orange sodas better. But this isn't awful. Doesn't really taste much like soda. To me, it tastes more like orange drink than soda. But it's not awful. It's not terrible. I'll give it a 6.8.